Okay, everyone, in this episode is very special. It's not because of the design of the tiny home, but this is about the construction process or build process of the tiny home. And anyway, this is about the prompting from one of AI platform that I have made it. And we can see about the imagination of the build process of the tiny home that this in this step it's almost done, but it's almost get the finish for the construction of the tiny home because of the exterior of the tiny home as we look right now it's still raw for the exterior cladding, so it probably needs the finishing cladding or the color of the tiny home itself as the user want or as we want about it. And this is about just little and simple imagination about the construction process of the tiny home. But we can little bit look for the tiny home in this image, which is this design of the tiny home. It's almost realistic that with that could give us a lot of inspiration about the um, s- shape of the tiny home or the little bit design of the tiny home itself for before we bow before we be about the tiny home or before we build the tiny home itself. And we can see for the some several design of the build process of the tiny home right now. Then in this case it the tiny home with canopy on the front, and we can look around again for the next design, which is this is a extraordinary tiny home itself. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video in this channel, and I hope you would like it, and I will prepare for the next video after this episode and after this video. Okay, thanks for watching until the end, and thank you again on the next video.